Well, good morning, Mr. Tomcats. Glad to know somebody is happy today. Somebody who jumped on me all night, keeping me awake. Hey, you didn't care, did you? Oh yeah, you just want some belly rubs. Yes, sir, you love belly rubs. There you go, buddy. You love your belly rubs. Hey, you're such a good kitty. I'm hoping everybody's having a great day. I'm starting off this video by saying I just got another package from my biggest fan, Joco Ginder, over in Europe. Sent me some more beers. That bad boy right there arrived over from Germany. Well, that's how you send beers right there. That's the bad boys right there. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Schwarzenwiesen, 13% beer. Schwarzenbach, 13%. It's got these fancy tops. Looks like, yeah, it's a wax coating on there. Holy smokes. 13% is pretty insane. I'm gonna call that the Bill Cosby beer. You're gonna drink that, black out, wake up in the back alley with the pants around your ankles. So once again, I want to thank you, Joco, for sending me the beers. Over the years, you've sent me numerous beers, numerous other things. Much appreciated. You are by far my biggest fan. And now it's time to get outside the garage, get some work done. Alright, over the past week, these are some of the goodies that came in. That seal came in, didn't even take a week. 2 oil filters. And this is the new synthetic winch cable for the ATV. Of course, when you go to synthetic winch cable, you need a new fair lead. And I also got a little rubber stopper. Let's start finishing this up, get those axles in, get that seal in, get everything assembled. Put some lubes in it. Won't be fired up and around in this video, but probably in a couple of videos because it's got a few little things. Let's get started. That seal, actually you can push it in with your fingers. Oh, this is gonna be the fun thing. Trying to get this thing back on. Actually, no, that was way easier than I thought. Holy crap. Ready to stick the axle in, and on the Arctic Cat, make sure you put the right axle in the right spot. This goes on the locker side because it has that gear. The other side doesn't have one. Things are looking good. One side is buttoned up. Let's get the other side on, and then we can fill it full of oil. So you can see on the other axle, it doesn't have that gear right there. So that's how you determine which one's which. Both sides are in. Try to get the brakes bled today and fluid in the differential. You need to clean this mess of tools up. case you're curious, that's all the tools I needed to remove the front end and put it back together on the Articat. This snap-on gun, the MG325, actually wrong, MG31 is badass. But this Aircat is 1/2 inch. That's even smaller than the 3/8. This thing is one of my new favorite air tools. This old pump's treated me pretty good over the years. I'm gonna use this stuff right here. AMSOIL transmission and differential fluid. Okay, we're gonna pump this till it comes out of that bottom fill hole. Yeah, pump it hard, like some cultures pump goats in the desert. Yeah, we're definitely full now. Just puking out. This is all bolted back up. This is going to be a good chance to see overnight if it's going to leak or not. When I reassembled this, I put some Loctite 515 gasket eliminator along with that O-ring, because last thing I want to do is put this all back together and have the main housing leak. So fingers crossed. Let's do the brakes and see if that's going to end up in a shit show. That almost looks a little on the low side to me. Yes, it looks like the brake fluid's coming out now. I'm actually quite surprised. This is going way easier than I thought. Just bleeding that down. Added new fluid up top. Running this AMSOIL synthetic brake fluid .3. Gravity bleeding's pretty painful. But what else are you gonna do on a Saturday afternoon? That part's done. Brakes are nice and tight. Brake fluid is changed. I've had this stuff in the garage forever, probably like 10 years, because I bought it for my car. That car right there was supposed to be a 2-year project. 10 years. It's been sitting inside my garage, also in pieces. I need to do something about that. We keep saying that. As soon as this is outside, that is being focused on. Well, it's 10 to 5. Where's that part I need? There was a brass elbow here somewhere. Never mind, it was in my pocket. Still got time to race down to the parts store, pick up some tube to run that differential breather line. Really, Tomcats? You just laying on the ground like a big slug? Are you hungry? Do you want some of your treats? And then go outside, take a big dump? Old Tomcat was outside, got some kindling cut up for a fire tonight. Chopped wood earlier in the week, so I'm full. Getting kind of low. You wanna go inside now, buddy? You wanna go inside? Come on. Aurora just came by and brought this case for me. This is good shit. Steamworks mashup. Flagship IPA, pale ale, 2 Pilsner, red ale. Fucking right, it's $25. First one, Pilsner. Right, motherfucking beer time. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's good beer.